हाँ वो रखी है, 4 साल से यही रखी है। Online students, am I audible? Just write yes in comment. Okay. So today we cover two topics. One is remainder theorem. Second is non-verbal reasoning. Okay. This year we have not conducted GS Foundation batch. Last year we have done. Recording है, चाहिए तो 25 रुपए में बेच देंगे हम. Remainder theorem 1. Okay. Remainder theorem 1 here is like 11 plus 12 divided by 10. And it is asked what is remainder. Okay. Here you can add, it is small. 11 plus 12 is 23 divided by 10. 23 divided by 10, what we get? We get 3 as a remainder. But we have theorem, so that there is no need to add this. Our remainder theorem 1 suggests no need to add, we take individual remainder. Like 11 with respect to 10 give remainder 1, 12 with respect to 10 give remainder 2, and take care of the symbol plus, so we get the same answer 3 without taking total. So here this 11 plus 12, if it is divided by 10, what is our remainder? Our remainder here is 3 without taking total. Just wait, let me take 2-3 example so that you can understand. Like 101 plus 102 plus 103 divided by 25. One thing, you can take this total and then you can divide total by 25, you can check the remainder. But our remainder theorem suggests no need to take total, because 100 is multiple of 25. 100 is multiple of 25. So 101 with respect to 25 give remainder 1. 102 with respect to 25 give remainder 2. 103 with respect to 25 give remainder 3. You add and we get our answer 6. So what we can do, we can take individual remainder and we can add and we get answer. Like here 1001 plus 1003 plus 1005 divided by 40. And I know 1000 is 40 into 25. 1000 is a multiple of 40. 1000 जो होता है वो 40 का multiple है. You can check also. So now here we can say this 1001, when you divide by 40, we get individual remainder 1. No need to take total. 1003 give remainder 3. 1005 give remainder 5. And we add, we get answer 9. I ask you question, try. No need to take total. You take individual remainder and you add, you get answer. Like here, 1001 plus 1002 plus 1003 plus 1004 divided by 25. What is your remainder? Online students, okay, you can also participate. What is your answer? So 1001 with respect to 25 give remainder 1. 1002 give remainder 2. This give you 3. This give you 4. And we add 3, 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. So our answer here is 10. Try one more question. 10,001, 10,003, 10,007 divided by 40. Find what is your remainder. What is your answer? 10,000, 1 give remainder 1, it give you 3, it give you 7, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 7, 11. Is this clear? Remainder theorem 1. हाँ जी? Dictate? Math में dictation? हाँ लिख लो. In remainder theorem 1, no need to take the total. We can take individual remainder and add. क्या बोला था मैंने? In remainder theorem 1, no need to take total. We can take individual remainder and we will get the answer. आगे से स्पेस मत छोड़ना डिक्टेशन के लिए. रिमाइंडर थ्योरम 2. Remainder theorem 2 example, like 11 into 12 divided by 10. It is asked what is your remainder. We multiply small value 11 into 12 132 divided by 10, and we know 132 divided by 10 your remainder is 2. We get answered. But as we have done in remainder theorem 1, here also remainder theorem 2 suggests no need for multiplication. Here remainder theorem is applicable for multiplication also. We can take individual remainder. 11 with respect to 10 give remainder 1. 12 when you divide by 10 you get remainder 2. Symbol is multiplication. 1 into 2 we get the same answer. So here no need to multiply. You take individual remainder and you multiply individual remainder. That gives the same answer. Just wait. Now next question. Like 101 into 102 into 103 divided by 25. If you multiply this take around 3 to 4 minutes. But here we are looking for remainder. We are not looking for multiplication. So we have remainder theorem. Remainder theorem 2 suggests 101 when we divide by 25 we get individual remainder 1. 102 divided by 25 we get remainder 2. 103 with respect to 25 we get remainder 3. Multiply. So our answer here is 6. If you check multiplication then also your answer is 6. Now, if you think that you can multiply, it's up to you. That is your fundamental right. You can try. 1001 into 1003 into 1005 divided by 40. What is our remainder? So, since they are asking remainder, we are not looking for multiplication. We are looking for remainder. And remainder theorem 2 suggests we can take individual remainder. 1001 with respect to 40 give remainder 1. 1003 with respect to 40 give remainder 3. 1005 with respect to 40 give 5. And here what we do, we multiply. So it is 1 into 3 into 5. Our answer here is 50. Now try one question. 1001 into 1002 into 1003 into 1004 into 1005 divided by 25. Find what is your remainder. What is your answer? 120 is wrong answer. क्यों? क्योंकि बेटा बाप से बड़ा नहीं हो सकता. बेटा बाप से बड़ा नहीं हो सकता मतलब रिमाइंडर कैन नॉट बी ग्रेटर देन डिवाइजर. डिवाइजर आपका 25 है ना. योर रिमाइंडर हैज टू बी स्मॉलर देन 25. What you have to do, yes, you are right. It give you 1, it give you 2, it give you 3, it give you 4, it give you 5. Multiply, you get 120. Further, you divide 120 by 25. So ultimately, your remainder is 20. Remainder is never greater than divisor. Never. अगर आपका रिमाइंडर डिवाइजर से बड़ा है तो फर्दर यू हैव टू डिवाइड. So you divide 120 by 25 again. So your answer has to be 20 here. Correct answer 20. Take care of this point. If your remainder is greater than divisor, further divide. क्योंकि वो remainder गलत है. One more question, then I take remainder theorem 3. 101 into 103 into 105 divided by 25. 101 into 103 into 105 divided by 25. What is your remainder? So here 101 with respect to 25 give remainder 1. 103 give you 3. 105 give you 5. We multiply. Our answer here is 50. All of you okay? Any doubt in remainder theorem 2? This is the base for remainder theorem topic. Now we take remainder theorem 3, 4, 5. We increase the difficulty level. Now next is remainder theorem 3. And it is also known as +1 remainder theorem. Remainder theorem 3, it is also known as +1 remainder theorem. Let me take 3 examples so that all of you will be comfortable. Then I ask you a question. My question here is 2 is to power 60 divided by 7. 2 is to power 60 divided by 7. What is your remainder? Now here, this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 60 times. And if you think you can multiply it, it will take nearly 45 minutes. Okay. So here, this is not advisable so that you can multiply 2 60 times. So what is important here? This 7, our divisor here is 7. Step number 1 is we will see power of 2 which is near to 7. And if it is 1 extra, perfect. Like here 2 is to power 1, 2. 2 square 4, 2 cube 8. So this 8 will help you. जो 8 है वो आपको help करेगा. I tell you how come. Because this 8 with respect to 7 give remainder 1. Why it is +1 remainder theorem? Why we are looking for 1? I tell you. Tell me what is 2 into 2? What is 2 into 2 into 2? What is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2? It keep on changing. Tell me what is 1 into 1? What is 1 into 1 into 1? What is 1 into 1 into 1 into 1? And what is 1 is to power n? 1. So if you take 1 is to power n, we get 1 only. But 2 is to power n, we don't know. We have to check it. So 1 will help you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will not help you. 1 will help you. So here, step number 1, we will see power of 2 near to 7. If it is 1 extra, perfect, 8. So what you can do, actually, can you see in this question, this husband, wife, chunnu. ये मिलके क्या बनाएंगे? 8. 2 into 2 into 2 give you 8. 2 into 2 into 2 give you 8. Next also, 2 into 2 into 2 give you 8. So we have to make pair of husband, wife, chunnu. There are total 60 members. And you have to combine 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube. Tell me, we will have 8 into 8 into 8. How many times? 20 times. 20 times. क्योंकि 60 में से 3 लोगों के ग्रुप बना रहे हैं. So there will be 20 family. 8 into 8 into 8, 20 times. Divided by 7. Here also you think you can multiply 8 20 times. It is difficult. But we are looking for remainder. You use remainder theorem 2 here. This 8 with respect to 7 give remainder 1. This 8 with respect to 7 give remainder 1. This 8 with respect to 7 give remainder 1. Similarly, all these 8 give you remainder 1, 1, 1. How many times? 20 times. 1 into 1 into 1, 20 times, 1 only. So our answer here is 1. See what is important? This 8 is important. 2 will not help. 8 will help. Why? Because 8 with respect to 7 give remainder 1. So it is plus 1 remainder theorem. Let me take one more example. Like for example, it is asked 3 is to power 20 divided by 8. मतलब 3 की पावर 20 को अगर 8 से डिवाइड करेंगे क्या रिमाइंडर आएगा? Power of 3 near to 8, if it is 1 extra perfect, 3 is to power 1 3, 3 square 9. So this 9 will help you. So what we will do, we write it as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 20 times divided by 8. So what you do, make couple, husband wife, so it become 9 9 9. 9 will help you to tell me if it is 3 is to power 20 and you combine 3 into 3, how many 9s you have? 10. 9 into 9 into 9, 10 times we have. But every 9 with respect to 8 give remainder 1. This 9 with respect to 8 give remainder 1. How many times? 10 times. 1 into 1 into 1, 10 times, 1 only. So here answer is 1. So I tell you what to do. ये तो थोड़ा सा like just to explain. So here, if question is asked 3 is to power 20 divided by 8, and I think all of you know rule of indices. Basically, two rule: a is to power m into a is to power n is a is to power m plus n. A is to power m bracket n. It is a is to power m into n. Now here my question is 3 is to power 20 upon 8. अब 3 के साथ कुछ भी करो but total power has to be 20. You can't reduce it, you can't increase it. Total power has to be 20. Step number 1, we are looking for power of 3 near to 8. 3 is to power 1 3, 3 square 9. So it is 3 square which is going to help you out. So can I rewrite 3 is to power 20 at 3 is to power 2 bracket 10? कैसे मर्जी लिख सकते हो, but total power has to be 20. Can you check total power is 2 into 10, 20? I can write 3 is to power 20 as 3 square bracket 10. Total power 20. Now here what is 3 square? 9. So it is 9 is to power 10 divided by 8. Then you can say it is 9 into 9 into 9, 10 times. Every 9 with respect to 8 give remainder 1. How many times? 10 times. So our answer here is क्या repeat करना है? ये वाला step. What is a is to power m bracket n? A is to power m into n. इसको उल्टा लिख रहा हूँ बस. What is 3 is to power 20? 3 is to power 2 into 10. If it is 3 is to power 2 into 10, can I write it as 3 is to power 2 bracket 10? Yes, I can write. वही मैं कर रहा हूँ. 20 को मैं 2 into 10 ले रहा हूँ, फिर 2 bracket 10. Because I need 9. I take one more example. 2 is to power 60 divided by 50. It is asked 2 is to power 60 divided by 15. What is the remainder? First step, power of 2 near to 15. 2 is to power 1 2. 2 is to power 2 4. 2 cube 8. 2 is to power 4 60. And if you get a value which is 1 extra as compared to denominator, perfect. Why? Because 16 with respect to 15 give remainder 1. Now here I write it as 2 is to power 4 into 15. Because 2 is to power 4 will help you. 60 को break करना है. 60 can be written as 4 into 15. Then we can write it as 2 is to power 4 bracket 15 divided by 15. Then it is 16 is to power 15 divided by 15. Every 16 with respect to 15 give remainder 1. How many times? 15 times. So our answer here is 1. 2 will not help, 4 will not help, 8 will not help, 16 will help. Now you try. I ask you some of the question. बड़ी जल्दी जज बन जाते हो क्योंकि मुझे 16 चाहिए, 2 की पावर 4 चाहिए मुझे. I need 2 की पावर 4. I need 2 is to power 4 because 2 is to power 4 15 के रिस्पेक्ट में एक रिमाइंडर देगा. Now here try, रुको थोड़ा. 3 is to power 30 divided by 26. Step by step, take your time. What is your remainder? 3 is to power 30 divided by 26. नहीं, मैं अपने आपके हिसाब से नहीं चलूंगा अनुभव जोशी, मैं कंसेप्ट के हिसाब से चलूंगा. वाई शुड आई टेक 2 स्क्वायर? 2 स्क्वायर गिव यू 4. 4 क्या हेल्प करेगा? 4 को 15 से डिवाइड करोगे क्या रिमाइंडर आता है? 4. मुझे 1 चाहिए. आई नीड 1. आई डोंट नीड 4, आई डोंट नीड 2, आई डोंट नीड 3, आई नीड रिमाइंडर 1. क्योंकि 1 को 1 से कितनी बार भी मल्टीप्लाई करो 1 आएगा. रिमाइंडर थ्योरम का नाम ही +1 रिमाइंडर थ्योरम है. वी आर लुकिंग फॉर दैट नंबर विच गिव +1 रिमाइंडर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू डिनोमिनेटर. So we are looking for power of 3 which is 1 extra as compared to 26. 3 is to power 1 3, 3 square 9, 3 cube 27. So I have to express it as 3 cube. 30 को कैसे ब्रेक करूंगा? 3 into 10. So I can express it as 3 is to power 3 bracket 10 divided by 26. Because 3 cube is 27 is to power 10 divided by 26. Why I need 27? Because 27 with respect to 26 give remainder 1. And why 1? Because 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. 1 को जितनी बार भी मल्टीप्लाई करो 1 है. 27 with respect to 26 remainder 1. How many time? 10 time. So our answer here is 1. Try one more question. 2 is to power 50 divided by 31. Take time, try to learn the concept. What is your remainder? Hanji, done? All of you. What is your answer? See here, we are looking for power of 2 near to 31. 2 is to power 1, 2. 2 square 4. 2 cube 8. 2 is to power 4, 16. 2 is to power 5, 32. So it is 2 is to power 5 into 10 because I'm looking for 2 is to power 5. So it is 2 is to power 5 bracket 10. What is 2 is to power 5? 32 is to power 10 divided by 31. Every 32 with respect to 31 give remainder 1. How many time? 10 time. So your answer is 1. Okay. Now next question. 3 is to power 25 divided by 8. क्या आंसर है? तुम तो कह रहे थे 1 आएगा हमेशा. हाँ जी, कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रही है ना इसमें? हमेशा इजी नहीं रहेगा ना। 3 to power 1 3, 3 square 9, 9 will help। हम यूज तो 9 ही करेंगे, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज 25 is not giving you exact pair of 3 to power 2, like 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 25 times we are looking for 3 square, 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 3 into 3, लास्ट में 3 बच जाएगा। ठीक है, इट्स लाइक हस्बैंड वाइफ, हस्बैंड वाइफ, हस्बैंड वाइफ, हस्बैंड वाइफ, कपल कपल कपल, ये एक बैचलर, एंड डोंट इग्नोर बैचलर, खतरनाक लोग होते हैं। ठीक है, और वही आंसर डिसाइड कर रहा है लास्ट में। सो व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट हियर, 3 स्क्वायर विल हेल्प, वी कांट ब्रेक 25, ऐसा तो नहीं लिख सकते 3 to power 2 12.5, दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम। So here we get exact pairing up to 3 to power 24. If I ask you a question 3 to power 24 divided by 8, you can manage it because we have exact pair of 3 square. So what you do, 25 को you break. We have one extra step, 24 plus 1. Why? Because up to 24 power we have exact pair. There will be one power extra which you have to take care. So what we have to do, we have to express it as 3 to power 24 plus 1 upon 8. Why one extra? Because up to 24 it is easy. We have one extra power which we have to take care. Now next is 3 to power 24 into 3 to power 1 divided by 8. As per rule, a to power m into a to power n is a to power m plus n. Then what you do, you take separately. This is manageable easily. Why? Because 3 to power 24 you can express as 3 to power 2 bracket 12 into 3 to power 1 divided by 8. Here we get pair of 3, 9, 9, 9. Why 9? Because 9 with respect to 8 give remainder 1. So what we will do here, after this is 9 is to power 12 into 3 divided by 8. Next is every 9 with respect to 8 give remainder 1. ये 9 8 के मुकाबले में रिमाइंडर 1 देगा, कितनी बार? 12 बार, 12 times. What about this 3? Tell me 3 with respect to 9. If your number is smaller, that itself is the remainder. जब 3 को 8 से डिवाइड करोगे, 3 खुद ही तो रिमाइंडर है, into 3. 1 is to power 12 1, 3. So ultimately your answer is 3. Don't ignore this because it is going to decide your answer now. What is the difference? Earlier question I have taken easy question so that you can understand. I have taken exact pairing. तभी तो कुछ लोग कंक्लूड करने लगे कि आंसर 1 आएगा हमेशा, ऐसा नहीं है। We have some difficult question also. इतना भी difficult नहीं है. It is 3 to power 25. We don't have exact pairing, but कहां तक pairing आ रही है? 3 to power 24 तक, which is manageable. You have only one power extra, so you take it separately. 3 is to power 1, 3 is to power 1. This give you 9 is to power 12. It give you 3. 9 with respect to 8 give remainder 1. How many time? 12 time. 3 give you remainder 3. So your answer is 3. Let me take two more questions. Like 2 is to power 50 divided by 15. First you want to try, you can try. पहले आप try कर लो. Then I will tell you. Step number 1, power of 2 near to 15, 2 is to power 1, 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 is to power 4, 16. 16 is wonderful because 16 with respect to 15 give remainder 1. But it is 2 is to power 4 and it is 50. 50 is not exact multiple of 4. You have to check. If your power is exact multiple of this, wonderful. But if it is not, tell me, can we write 50 as 48 plus 2? Because 48 is exact multiple of 4. Just lesser than 50, exact multiple of 4 is 48. Up to 48, it is easily manageable. So what we do, we have one extra step in this type of question. We write it as 2 is to power 48 plus 2 divided by 15. Why 48? Because up to 48, we have exact pairing of 4. Then we write it as 2 is to power 48 into 2 is to power 2 या 2 into 2 अलग से लिख लो divided by 50. Then you can write it as 2 is to power 4 bracket 12 into 4 divided by 50. It is easy. 16 is to power 12 into 4 divided by 15. Every 16 with respect to 15 give remainder 1. How many times? 12 times. This 4 with respect to 15 give remainder 4. So your answer here is 4. Because we have this extra. Any doubt? One more question. Three is to power 40 divided by 26. 3 is to power 40 divided by 26. Take your time. Find what is the remainder. Those who are done, what is your answer? First step, power of 3 near to 26. 3 is to power 1, 3. 3 square 9. 3 cube 27. It is 1 extra as compared to 26. Perfect. But the problem is this 40 is not exact multiple of 3. When 40 is not exact multiple of 3, you have to do one extra step. You have to break 40 as 39 plus 1. Because up to power 39, it's okay. So we write it as 3 is to power 39 plus 1 divided by 26. So next is 3 is to power 39 into 3 is to power 1 divided by 26. Then we write it as 3 is to power 3 bracket 13 into 3 divided by 26. Then it is 27 is to power 13 into 3 divided by 26. Every 27 with respect to 26 give remainder 1. How many times? 13 times. And here this 3 with respect to 26 remainder 3. 1 into 3 answer 3. Is this clear or I have to take one extra example? एक और example. 2 is to power 26 divided by 15. 2 is to power 26 divided by 15. What is your remainder? Done? Done last one. Step number 1, power of 2 near to 15, 2 is to power 1, 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 is to power 4, 6. But 26 is not a multiple of 4. So how you break 26? 24 plus 2. So we write it as 2 is to power 24 plus 2 divided by 50. Then we write it as 2 is to power 24 into 2 is to power 2 divided by 15. So then we write it as 2 is to power 4 bracket 6 into 4 divided by 15. 16 is to power 6 into 4 divided by 15. Every 16 with respect to 15, remainder 1, how many times? 6 times. This 4 with respect to 15, remainder 4, 1 into 4, your answer is 4. Clear? Fine. Next is remainder theorem 4. Name of this is -1 remainder theorem. यहाँ पे -1 remainder use करेंगे. In my LCM class, I brief you about negative remainder. Okay. Let me cross check. If divisor is 9, positive remainder is 7, tell me negative remainder. 2. या -2 लिख देंगे, 2 negative remainder. If your divisor is 7, positive remainder 6, what about negative remainder? 1 या -1? -1. 1 negative remainder या -1. One more thing. Tell me what is -1 is to power n? What is -1 is to power n? क्या? It depend on n. बट ऐसा तो नहीं कि जैसे 2 के केस में 2 is to power 1 2, 2 is to power 2 4, 2 is to power 3 8, 2 is to power 4 16. Every time we have different answer. See, 1 is to power n. Why our first preference? Because here we have only one value 1. Our second preference is -1 is to power n. Why? We have only two value, depend on n. If n is even, like -1 is to power 10, answer is +1. If n is odd, -1. यहां तो हर बार वैल्यू बदल रही है, यहां पे सेम है, यहां पे दो ही वैल्यू है. So here our next remainder theorem 4 is -1 remainder theorem. We will use this concept -1 is to power n, and we know n. यहाँ पे n पता होगा हमें, n we know. अगर n पता है तो can we say what is the answer? Tell me what is -1 is to power 20? +1 +1. What is -1 is to power 25? What is -1 is to power 50? +1. What is -1 is to power 75? So here we know, if n we know, then we know the value. So now here I take question on remainder theorem 4. Like my question is 2 is to power 30 divided by 9. It is asked 2 is to power 30 divided by 9. What is your remainder? Step number 1, we are looking for power of 2 near to 9. If it is 1 extra, perfect, or it is 1 less. या तो एक extra या एक कम हो. If it is 1 extra, that give +1. If it is 1 less, it give you -1. Our preference in remainder theorem is use +1 or -1. So here 2 is to power 1 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8. 8 will help you. I tell you how come. See here, this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 30 times divided by 9. We can't multiply 2 30 times because it is time consuming. But when we take 2 into 2 into 2, it is 8. When it is 2 into 2 into 2, 8. So it is 8 how many times? 10 times. Here also it is time consuming. ये भी time consuming है. But when we divide it by 9, we have two type of remainder. Positive remainder 8, negative remainder -1. -1 will help. We take negative remainder here. -1, -1. Wait, let me take 3 example. So my question is 2 is to power 30 divided by 9. Step number 1, we are looking for power of 2 near to 9. If it is 1 extra or 1 less. 2 is to power 1, 2. 2 square 4, 2 cube 8. It is 1 less. Then we express 2 is to power 30 as 2 is to power 3 into 10 divided by 9. Then it is 2 is to power 3 bracket 10 divided by 9 as per the rule. ये rule है. So then it is 8 is to power 10 divided by 9. Every 8 with respect to 9 give remainder 8 as well as minus 1. So we use negative remainder क्योंकि ये थ्योरम ही -1 और नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर थ्योरम है. 8 with respect to 9 give remainder -1. How many time? 10 time. Tell me what is -1 is to power 10? +1. So your answer here is +1. Negative remainder will help. When I have taught you negative remainder, I told you अगर आप positive remainder use करेंगे, it will be more time consuming. Negative remainder is wonderful thing. यहाँ पे negative remainder इसके लिए वरदान है. Positive remainder 8 होगा. Multiplying 8 10 times करके देख लो. अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा ना कि -1 help करेगा, then what you have to do? 8 into 8 into 8 10 times. Tell me what is this value? What you prefer? या तो ये होगा या -1 into -1 10 times. Tell me which you prefer, this or this. जिसका ये मन कर रहा है कर लो, मैं नहीं रोकूंगा. So here it is better. Let us do some extra question. Wait. 2 is to power 40 divided by 17. It is asked if 2 is to power 40 divided by 17, what is the remainder? So we will see power of 2 near to 17. 2 is to power 1, 2. 2 square 4. 2 cube 8. 2 is to power 4, 16. Our first preference, it is 1 extra or 1 less. It is 1 less because it gives -1 as a remainder. So here we break 40 as 2 is to power 4 into 10. So we write it as 2 is to power 4 bracket 10. What is 2 is to power 4? 16. So it is 16 is to power 10 divided by 17. Now you have two options. Either you multiply 16 10 times or you take help of negative remainder. Tell me what you prefer. 16 with respect to 17 give remainder 16 as well as -1. I think -1 is easier. So every 16 with respect to 17 give remainder -1. How many times? 10 times. Tell me what is -1 is to power 10? +1. So your answer is +1. Let me take one more question. 3 is to power 60 divided by 28. It is asked when 3 is to power 60 divided by 28, what is the remainder? So what we will do, we take power of 3 near to 28. 3 is to power 1, 3. 3 square 9. 3 cube 27. So we express it as 3 is to power 3 into 20 divided by 28. Why 3 cube? Because 3 cube give 27. So next is 3 is to power 3 bracket 20 divided by 28. It is 27 is to power 20 divided by 28. 27 with respect to 28 give 27 as well as -1. So here -1 will help. How many times? 20 times. Tell me what is -1 is to power 20? +1. So your answer here is +1. Okay. Try one more question. You try. 2 is to power 80 divided by 17. 2 is to power 80 divided by 17. What is the remainder? Done? All of you? First, power of 2 near to 17 is 2 is to power 1, 2. 2 square 4. 2 cube 8. 2 is to power 4, 16. 16 is 1 less, will help. So we write it as 2 is to power 4 into 20 divided by 70. Then we will express it as 2 is to power 4 bracket 20 divided by 70. Then we will write it as 16 is to power 20 divided by 70. Every 16 with respect to 17 give remainder 16 or minus 1. Minus 1 how many time? 20 time. What is minus 1 is to power 20? Plus 1. So your answer here is plus 1. Okay? No. Next question. Three is to power 45 divided by 28. क्या आंसर आ रहा है? Power of 3 near to 28. 3 is to power 1 3. 3 square 9. 3 cube 27. So we express it as 3 into 15. Why? Because 27 will help. 3 is to power 3 bracket 15 divided by 28. 27 is to power 15 divided by 28. Every 27 with respect to 28 give remainder 27 and minus 1. Minus 1 how many time? 15 time. So tell me what is minus 1 is to power 15? Minus 1. But UPSC will never give answer minus 1. Your answer option will be like 2, 4, 16, 27. 27. See here, negative remainder examiner के लिए negative remainder कुछ नहीं है. Negative remainder is our shortcut. UPSC examiner or any examiner will never talk about negative remainder. उनके लिए हमेशा positive remainder ही रहता है. So if it is coming minus 1 and your divisor is 28, you have to convert it in positive remainder. What is your positive remainder? 27. You have two answers. Minus 1 is correct. You can say your answer is minus 1 or plus 27. UPSC examiner will always use positive remainder as answer. So your correct answer here is 27. Minus 1 is also correct, but UPSC examiner, they never use negative remainder in answer option. Negative remainder हमारा shortcut examiner के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं negative remainder type of thing. They never use negative remainder word in the exam. So we have to convert this negative remainder into positive remainder. If we divide by 28, it is minus 1. You have to convert in positive remainder 27. Let us try 2, 3 extra version. Okay. 2 is to power 75 divided by 9. 2 is to power 75 divided by 9. Take your time. What is your remainder? डिवाइजर क्या है? What is your answer? 8. Minus 1 or 8. Examiner 8 use करेगा. Minus 1 नहीं use करेगा. Let us check. 2 is to power 1 2. 2 square 4. 2 cube 8. So it is 2 is to power 3 into 25 divided by 9. So it is 2 is to power 3 bracket 25 divided by 9. So it's like 8 is to power 25 divided by 9. So now here every 8 with respect to 9 give remainder 8 as well as minus 1. So minus 1 how many times? 25 times. So minus 1 is to power 25 minus 1. Your divisor is 9. You have negative remainder 1, positive remainder 8. So your answer here is 8. Try one more question. 2 is to power 60 divided by 17. 2 is to power 60 divided by 17. What is your remainder? Done. What is your answer? 2 is to power 1 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 is to power 4 16. We express it as 2 is to power 4 into 15 upon 17. It is to 2 is to power 4 bracket 15 divided by 17. 16 is to power 15 divided by 17. 16 or minus 1 will help. Minus 1 how many time? 15 time. What is minus 1 is to power 15? Minus 1. But UPSC, they will not use negative remainder as an answer. If your divisor is 17, you can say minus 1 or plus 16. You have to convert negative in positive. So your answer is 16. If you are comfortable with this, can I increase difficulty level? मतलब let us try. क्योंकि यूपीएससी तो करेगा ही. हम नहीं डिफिकल्टी बढ़ाएंगे तो यूपीएससी तो बढ़ाएगा ही. आपकी सुनेगा थोड़ी ना वो. Okay, try this question. 2 is to power 31 divided by 9. And if you can handle this question, it means you will be comfortable in this topic. मतलब ये टॉपिक फिर आपको समझ में आ गया. ऑनलाइन में कैटेगरी 1 स्टूडेंट भी बोल रहे हैं यस आई हैव टू इंक्रीज डिफिकल्टी लेवल, तो ऑफलाइन वाले तो मना कर ही नहीं सकते. डन. Those who are done, what is the answer? वो ध्यान रखना है, -2 अलग चीज है, 2 अलग चीज है. वही खेल है. 2 आ रहा है कि -2 आ रहा है, +2 आ रहा है या कुछ और आ रहा है? क्या आ रहा है? 3 8 7. चलो देखते हैं. 2 is to power 1 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8. 10 तो आएगा नहीं, 8 बेटर है. 8 will help. What is 8? 2 cube. Can we express it as exact pairing or 2 cube? No. So we have one extra step. 31 is 30 plus 1. क्योंकि यहाँ power exact multiple of 3 नहीं है. So we write it as 2 is to power 30 plus 1 divided by 9. Any doubt in this step? Any doubt in this step? Then we write it as 2 is to power 30 into 2 is to power 1 divided by 9. We can manage it. Yes, 2 is to power 3 bracket 10 into 2 divided by 9. Now what is this? 8 is to power 10 into 2 divided by 9. Tell me every 8 with respect to 9, what is your remainder? -1. How many time? 10 time. And this 2 with respect to 9, what is your remainder? +2 only. 2 तो +2 ही तो देगा. +2. Take care of the symbol. -1 is to power 10 +1 multiply with +2. तो आंसर इज 2. क्योंकि 2 तो 9 के साथ 2 ही तो रिमाइंडर दे रहा है. व्हेन यू डिवाइड 2 by 9 योर रिमाइंडर इज 2 ओनली. इफ योर नंबर इज स्मॉलर देन डिवाइजर, नंबर इटसेल्फ इज रिमाइंडर. अगर नंबर डिवाइजर से छोटा है, वो नंबर खुद ही रिमाइंडर होता है. इज दिस क्लियर? कैन आई आस्क वन मोर क्वेश्चन बिफोर आई टेक रिमाइंडर थ्योरम 5? मना करोगे तो भी तो पूछना है. You try this question. 3 is to power 40 divided by 28. Go slow, step by step. Try to manage. Just see what is your remainder. After this, I take remainder theorem 5. Then we start our topic non-verbal reasoning. Yeah. (25) Yes. 3 is to power 1 3. 3 square 9. 3 cube 27. So it is 40 is exact multiple of 3? No. So what we have to do, one extra step, 40 we have to break 39 plus 1. 3 is to power 39 plus 1 divided by 28. So it is 3 is to power 39 into 3 is to power 1 divided by 28. Okay. This 39, 3 is to power 39, I write 3 is to power 3 bracket 13 into 3 divided by 28. So it is 27 is to power 13 into 3 divided by 28. Every 27 with respect to 28 remainder minus 1. How many times? 13 times. 3 with respect to 28, what is your remainder? Plus 3. So point here is minus 1 is to power 13 give you minus 1 into plus 3. So your answer is minus 3. If you say answer minus 3, okay. But if your divisor is 28, you have to convert negative in positive. So if your divisor is 28, minus 3 when we convert, it is plus 25 as well. Category 1 student, if some of you are not comfortable, type 1, type 2, I think you understood. Type 3, type 4, try to revise. If there will be doubt, I can take doubt section. ठीक है, next week इस पे एक doubt session ले लूंगा मैं. Remainder theorem 5 is easy for type for category 1 student क्योंकि उसमें रटना है, रटने में वो तेज होते हैं. Remainder theorem 5. Now here, if we have an expression like a is to power p minus 1 upon p, where p is prime number, जो denominator है वो prime number है, and power is 1 less. A is to power p minus 1 upon p, denominator is prime number and power is 1 less. I give you an example like 2 is to power 10 divided by 11. 11 is prime number, power is 1 less, 10. I repeat, a is to power p minus 1 upon p, denominator prime number, power 1 less as compared to denominator. We divide in two part. इसको हम दो हिस्सों में divide करते हैं. First one is if a is multiple of p. A जो है वो P का मल्टीपल है. I give you example. 14 is to power 6 divided by 7. 7 is prime number, power is 1 less, 14 is exact multiple of 7. Like 25 is to power 4 divided by 5. Denominator is prime number, power is 1 less, and your numerator is multiple of this. Is this clear? A is to power p minus 1 p, p prime number of power एक कम हो. And if a is multiple of p, tell me what is your remainder here? यहाँ पे remainder क्या आएगा? Remainder क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? 0. ये करना ही कुछ नहीं क्योंकि 14 अगर 7 से डिवाइड हो रहा है तो रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा? 0 कितनी बार? 6 बार. 0 एक बार ही काफी है तो 6 बार आ रहा है तो रिमाइंडर इज 0. एग्जामिनर विल नॉट आस्क. एग्जामिनर कहेगा यार मैंने पूछा भी क्या, 25 5 से डिवाइड हो रहा है, रिमाइंडर 0 ही होना चाहिए. सो इन दिस केस रिमाइंडर इज 0, विच एग्जामिनर विल नॉट आस्क, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है तो बहुत इजी चीज है. व्हाट एग्जामिनर विल आस्क? इफ ए इज नॉट मल्टीपल ऑफ पी. Let me give 6-7 examples so that you can understand. समझ में नहीं आ रहा आपको अभी क्या है ये? 2 is to power 10 divided by 11. 3 is to power 96 divided by 97. ठीक है. 4 is to power 60 divided by 61. 11 is prime number, 97 is prime number, 61 is prime number, power is 1 less, and a is not a multiple of p. I repeat, a is to power p minus 1 upon p, where denominator is prime number, power 1 less, and a is not a multiple of p. In this type of question, remainder is always plus 1. लिख लो यहाँ पे remainder is always plus 1. No need to waste your energy. रिमाइंडर 1, रिमाइंडर 1, रिमाइंडर 1. और जब ए पी का मल्टीपल होता है रिमाइंडर 0, क्योंकि वो ए पी से डिवाइड हो गया तो रिमाइंडर बचा क्या? 14 is exactly divisible by 7, so remainder 0. But in this type of question, remainder is always 1. I repeat, remainder theorem 5 is factual thing. You have to remember it. A is to power p minus 1 upon p, where your denominator is prime number, power is 1 less. And a is not a multiple of p. I take example like 4 is to power 36 divided by 37. You have to check. It is prime number, power is 1 less, and you can immediately say remainder 1. So what is your answer here? Remainder 1. Try this question. 2 is to power 22 divided by 23. What is our remainder in this question? 1 plus 1. Try one question. 9 is to power 82 divided by 83. What is your answer? 1. Here remainder is plus 1. This is remainder theorem. No need to prove it. कोई स्कूल टाइम थोड़ी ना प्रूव करने के मार्क्स मिल रहे हैं. 6 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है. प्रूव योर थ्योरम. याद रखना है इसको. You remember this remainder theorem 5 कि a is to power p minus 1 upon p, where denominator is prime number and a is not a multiple of p. Here remainder is always 1. Let us revise. Quickly we revise. Remainder theorem 1, 11 plus 12 divided by 10. You take individual remainder and you add, you get answer. Remainder theorem 2 is 11 into 12 divided by 10. Here also no need for multiplication. You take individual remainder and you get answer. ये सबसे easy था. ठीक है. उसके बाद ही तो तोते उड़े हैं. 2 की power 60 divided by 7 plus 1 remainder theorem. We see power of 2 near to 7. 2 is to power 3, 8. So it is 2 is to power 3 bracket 20 divided by 7. 8 is to power 20 divided by 7. Every 8 1. How many times? 20 times we can manage. It is plus 1 remainder theorem. Then next is minus 1 remainder theorem. 2 is to power 60 divided by 9. 2 is to power 3 is 8. So we write it as 2 is to power 3 bracket 20 divided by 9. 8 is to power 20 divided by 9. 8 with respect to 9 give remainder minus 1. We use negative remainder here. Either we use plus 1 or we use minus 1. Minus 1 is to power 20. Answer is plus 1. Remainder theorem 5 is a factual thing. A is to power p minus 1 upon p, where denominator is prime number and power is 1 less as compared to denominator, and a is not a multiple of p. Here remainder is always plus 1. Okay. Next topic is non-verbal reasoning. Or it is called picture reasoning. 1 और plus 1 में कोई difference नहीं. It is same thing. 1 means plus 1 only. Non-verbal reasoning means picture reasoning. They give 4 or 5 picture and they will ask what will come next. Like they used question like triangle here, triangle. They use different things. Circle, circle, circle. So they ask what will be next. Just 5-7 minutes I take basic idea. 10 minutes I take just basic idea. Then we got this handout more than enough, because the weightage of this topic is 1 question, and even from last 3-4 years they are asking very less number of questions from this topic. So no need for extra practice. जो आपको handout दिया more than enough है. We have 4 different type of question in that handout, more than enough. इतना ही हमें करना है, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं. But first we will see the basic idea for this type of question. In non-verbal reasoning or picture reasoning question, what is our concept? We are looking for MSG. It doesn't stand for messenger of God. In our topic, M stand for movement, S stand for sequence, G stand for growth. I tell you, we have to study movement, we have to study sequence, we have to study growth. I tell you movement कैसे. I give you one example. Like in the first figure, this circle or this is used here. Second figure, circle is used here. In the third figure, circle is used here. In the fourth figure, circle is used here. So you can see what type of movement we have in this circle, clockwise movement. So next we have circle here. So there is a clockwise movement we have in circle. It can be anti-clockwise, so we have to observe the sequence in the movement. वो movement है तो है, but कैसा है? That movement is clockwise, anti-clockwise, horizontally, vertically. We have to observe that. Now next is we have to see sequence in the movement. We have to see sequence in the growth. I tell you growth. Like here, first figure you find they have used triangle of this size. Next time they have used bigger triangle. So you can see size of the triangle is increasing. So there is a growth in the size of triangle. So next time we expect bigger triangle. Second is, which has been used in my handout also, and it is important concept. You find in first figure they are using triangle, 3 side. In the next figure they are using square, 4 side. Then they are using pentagon, 5 side. Then they are using hexagon, 6 side. So there is a growth. What type of growth? Growth in the number of side. 3 side, 4, 5, 6. After that, what we expect? Septagon. Have you heard of heptagon? Heptagon or septagon. Heptagon, septagon are same thing. A figure with 7 sides is called heptagon or septagon. So next will be septagon. After that, next will be octagon with 8 sides. Or you can see it can be in angle. First you have 15-degree angle, then 30-degree angle, then 45-degree angle. Or it can be in shaded area. So you can find in first figure only 1/4, means quarter part of this figure is shaded. Second figure you find half is shaded. In the third figure you find 3/4 is shaded. So it is 25%, 50%, 75%. Next time we expect that complete figure is shaded. So we will see growth in the shaded portion. So what we have to do, we have to observe movement, we have to observe growth, and we have to see the sequence. Or in short, you have to see increase or decrease in the figure. Or you have to see the change in the figure. Figure में क्या-क्या change हो रहा है. This is one concept. Second concept is angle. So you have to take care of the angle. I have taken direction sense with you. So here also examiner using direction sense without naming it. We have 8 direction. This is north, this is south, here is west, here is east, here is northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. Total angle 360 degree, each part make an angle of 45 degree. So here you will find in question multiple of 45 degree angle is used. I tell you how. What you will find in first figure, they have used triangle here. In the second figure, you will find triangle is here. Someone will say triangle is moving clockwise. Okay. But give me specific information. If you attach here, if you say there is a 45 degree clockwise movement is there, that is a better information. अगर आप सिर्फ clockwise की बजाय एंगल भी बता दोगे ना, 45 degree clockwise movement is there, that is better information. I tell you, I take one example. Like my example here is, I just give you total 4 concept, then we start question. छोटे छोटे concept है. In the first figure, we find star is used here. In the next figure, you find star is used here. Third figure, you find star is used here. We have to see in fourth figure. Don't say clockwise. हर चीज clockwise है. So you can see this angle. This is 90 plus 45. You can say this star is moving 135 degree clockwise. Then from this position to this position, अगर इस पोजीशन से इस पोजीशन पे भी देखेंगे, it is 90 plus 45, 135 degree. So what we expect from this figure to this figure, here also there should be a movement of 90 plus 45, 135 degree clockwise. Can I say in my required figure, star has to be at this position? So you can write there is a movement of 135 degree clockwise in the position of star. From first figure to second, from second to third, third to fourth. Multiple of 45 degree angle will help. 45, 90, 135, 180. Like here. If you find any figure move from this point to this point, you can say 45 degree clockwise movement is there. From this point to this point, you can say 90 degree clockwise. From this point to this point, you can say 135 degree clockwise, 180 degree clockwise. 180 से बड़ा एंगल लेते नहीं, क्योंकि you can take anti-clockwise. From this point to this point, rather than taking very big angle, you can say 45 degree anti-clockwise. You can say 90 degree anti-clockwise. You can say 135 degree anti-clockwise. Multiple of 45 degree angle we have to observe in our question. Now the third concept, we have a concept of called mirror image and water image. Let me brief about mirror image first. Mirror image and water image concept. Like there is a capital letter A. If you see how A appear in mirror, it appear exactly same. Capital letter A have the exactly same mirror image. Can you tell me other than A, some of the capital letter, those who are having exactly same mirror image? H, O, I, M, W, V. ऐसे पूरे नहीं हो पाएंगे. I tell you, in a sequence, how you can remember? You write, लिख लो A, H, sequence में बताऊंगा, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y. How I remember this? A, high, motu, V, W, X, Y. ठीक है जी. A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Some students, they get confused about Y. In writing, we write Y like this. But UPSC have standard. They give printed paper. They will not give handwritten. ठीक है? ब्रिटिश काल नहीं चल रहा, हाथ से पेपर लिखा जा रहा है. You can check. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट तो यही कैपिटल Y टाइप करके देख सकते हैं. You can check in your mobile tablet. When you type capital Y in printing, Y is this. Printing में Y ये होता है. That's why Y is having exactly same mirror image. जब हम लिखते हैं और प्रिंटिंग के Y में डिफरेंट है. This is Y, Y. So here these are the capital letter. Those are having exactly same mirror images. A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Now here mirror image. Sorry, water image. If you see A in water, by water image what we mean? Image in the river water or lake water. Or this vertical appearance is called mirror image, horizontal appearance is called water image. In water, how A appear? A appear like this. So A is not having same water image. A is having same mirror image, but whereas A is not having same water image. I tell you the concept. I tell you the concept of mirror and water. First we understand about mirror image. Okay. Like me, might be you have seen in mirror. Like, have you seen yourself in front of mirror? How handsome you are looking? Okay. Have you observed one thing? Like, if in front of mirror you are doing any activity with right hand, it seems you are doing with left hand. ध्यान नहीं दिया, आज दे लेना घर जाके. Like, you are writing in front of mirror, you are combing your hair, or whatever you are doing with right hand, it seems you are doing with left hand. ध्यान से देखना, ये ध्यान कहीं और होता है. ठीक है, right hand seems left hand seems right hand. Okay, so in mirror what become? Left become right, right become left. But if you see yourself in front of mirror, your face is on the above side and your legs are below. ऐसा नहीं कि उल्टा हो गया, मुंडी नीचे चलेगी, पैर ऊपर चले गए, फेस ऊपर रहता है, पैर नीचे रहता है. ठीक है, टॉप रिमेन टॉप, बॉटम रिमेन बॉटम. लेफ्ट एंड राइट इंटरचेंज हो जाता है. सेल्फी में भी कुछ ऐसा होता है. ठीक है, लेफ्ट एंड राइट इंटरचेंज. योर राइट हैंड अपीयर लेफ्ट हैंड इन मिरर, यू कैन ट्राई. Whereas in water, like if you see yourself in water, अगर आप अपने आप को पानी में देखेंगे, what you see? First you see your foot, leg, then important part of your body, I mean stomach. ठीक है, then upper part. ऐसा दिखेगा, उल्टा दिखेगा, पहले पैर दिखेंगे फिर सर दिखेगा. In water, top and bottom interchange, but left remain on left hand side, right remain on right side. ये concept है. Mirror में left and right interchange, whereas in water, top and bottom interchange. I explain. My drawing is not that good, but still I try to explain the water image concept. Like here, we have one champu here. इंसान है, पौआ नहीं है. अभी पैर भी आएंगे इसके. And not Thakur of Sole, having both the hand for essential activities. इसके दोनों हाथ हैं. नहीं, मोर इंपॉर्टेंट इज क्या हो गया, पोलियो हो रहा है. मोर इंपॉर्टेंट इज ही इज हैविंग स्पाइक. बाल भी है इसके, स्पाइक. एंड मोर इंपॉर्टेंट दिस स्पाइक, ही इज हैविंग घंटा ऑन द टॉप. ऊपर एक घंटा है उसके. ठीक है, कैरिंग द बुके फॉर हिज गर्लफ्रेंड in this hat. His girlfriend house is in nearby village and there is a river in between. बीच में river पड़ती. So what is important? तो ये river में गलती से देखता है कि how handsome I'm looking in the river water. But he is bit disappointed to find घंटा at the bottom. तो व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट हियर इन वाटर इमेज, जो चीज टॉप पे थी वो नीचे चलेगी, जो नीचे थी वो ऊपर आ गई, और जो इस साइड थी वो इसी साइड रही है. लेफ्ट रिमेन लेफ्ट, राइट रिमेन राइट, ओनली द टॉप एंड बॉटम इंटरचेंज इन वाटर इमेज. Whereas in mirror, left and right interchange, you can check at your home. Left hand will appear right hand appear left hand in mirror. Now here I give the list of capital letter appear or like having exactly same water image. You write C, D, E, H, I, K, O, X. C, D, E, H, I, K, O, X. This having same water image. Some students they get confused about B. B for Bombay. Bombay wala B. This B. I tell you what is the problem with this B. As far as water image is concerned, B seems same, but it is not exactly same. व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम विद बी? आपने ऑब्जर्व नहीं किया होगा, मेरी नजर से देखोगे तो नजर आएगा. इन दिस बी देर आर टू कर्व ऑफ डिफरेंट साइज, वन स्मॉल वन बिग. ध्यान से देखना, ये छोटा है, ये थोड़ा बड़ा है. एंड हियर इन वाटर फर्स्ट बिगर अपीयर देन स्मॉलर अपीयर. ध्यान से देखोगे ना, ऐसा दिखेगा आगे से, ये ऐसा दिखेगा, ये ऐसा दिखेगा. ठीक है, ध्यान नहीं दिया ना, ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा है. दिस कर्व इज ए स्लाइटली बिगर देन दिस कर्व. हैंडआउट में चेक करेंगे. सो बी इज नॉट हैविंग सेम वाटर इमेज बिकॉज ऑफ द डिफरेंस इन द कर्व साइज. नाउ नेक्स्ट, I tell you number digit 0 to 8. 0 and 8 having same mirror image. 0 is having same mirror image. 8 is having same mirror image. 1 is not having. क्योंकि writing में we write 1 this, but printing में 1 is this. Printing का 1 ऐसा होता है, so 1 appear this. So 1 is not having same mirror image. As far as water image is concerned, only 0. Only 0 is having same water image. Here also students, they get confused about 3 and 8. They think 3 and 8. 3 and 8 having same problem what B is having. 3 में भी दो कर्व हैं. 3 ऐसा होता है अगर ध्यान से देखो. So first this bigger curve appear, then smaller curve appear. And if you observe 8 minutely, in 8 there are two circle of different size. ये छोटा होगा, ये बड़ा होगा. इतना डिफरेंस नहीं है, बट मेरी नजर से देखोगे इतना ही दिखेगा. पहले बड़ा दिखेगा, फिर छोटा दिखेगा. ऐसे 8 also have difference in the size of these two circle. It is slightly bigger than this. That's why B, 3 and 8, they are not having same water image because of a slight difference in the size. So only 0. Now next is small ABCD. छोटी ABCD. C, L, I भी है यहाँ पे. Sorry. For mirror image, my mistake. You write I, L, O, V, W, X. Small I, L, O, V, W, X. These have same mirror image. Water image में small c, small l, small o, small x. It is L. Sometimes like you have to put OTP or you have to put CAPTCHA. कैप्चा में दो चीजें तंग करती है, आई एंड एल, स्मॉल एल एंड आई, कैपिटल आई, उसमें कंफ्यूजन रहता है. ठीक है. 0 एंड O, 0 और O में भी बड़ा कंफ्यूजन होता है. इन वन ऑफ द बैच वन स्टूडेंट दे आस्क्ड सर देन व्हाट यू डू. आई रिफ्रेश इट. कितना दिमाग लगाना है. हाँ, के का भी थोड़ा डाउट है, बट जहां से मैंने लिया ना उसमें लिखा हुआ था के का भी शायद ऐसा हो सकता है, बट जिस नोटबुक से, जिस बुक से मैंने कंसेप्ट लिया ना उसमें के लिया हुआ है. चेक कर लेंगे के को. के में भी माइट बी देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम. आई विल क्रॉस चेक. CLOX. दिस इज स्मॉल c, स्मॉल l, स्मॉल o, स्मॉल x. फाइन. नाउ फोर्थ कंसेप्ट. क्विकली आई टेल यू फोर्थ कंसेप्ट. इसमें फैक्चुअल क्वेश्चन सीधा सीधा पूछा है 2 साल पहले. They just ask capital letter having exactly same mirror or water image. Previous में question था बिल्कुल direct. Now next is fourth concept is like what you find. They give 3-4 figure. Don't solve क्योंकि इसका कोई solution नहीं है. वैसे random question है. It is just a random question. They asked what is the next and they have given 4 answer option. If they will ask a question from non-verbal reasoning, I will tell you bonus mark 2.5 provided that you have patience. You should have patience. What I have seen some students, they compare first figure with second and they end up with wasting their time and without any result. Don't compare first figure with second figure as a whole. पूरी figure मत compare करो. You take small part of this figure. Like star is my favorite. I compare star. Just study star in first figure, study star in second figure, see star in third figure. Then you conclude where star will come in your answer figure. For example, star will come here. Some student they think if we compare one by one, it will be more time consuming. I tell you a concept so that you come to know about this concept. See here, if you go to any village and you see two buffalo there, for you might be same. आपके लिए दोनों बुफेलो सेम है, बट जो उसका ओनर है उससे पूछना, वो बता देगा ये राम प्यारी है, शाम प्यारी टाइप है, ठीक है, उसको पता है ये अलग है। डोंट कंपेयर बुफेलो विद बुफेलो, कंपेयर आई ऑफ दिस बुफेलो विद द आई ऑफ अदर बुफेलो। कहेगा इसकी आंख इस कलर की, इसकी आंख इस कलर की है, इसके सींग छोटे हैं, इसके सींग बड़े हैं। तो डोंट कंपेयर द बुफेलो विद बुफेलो, कंपेयर वन पार्ट ऑफ द बुफेलो विद द सेम पार्ट ऑफ अदर बुफेलो। Similarly here, don't compare first figure with second figure. You compare star of the first figure with the star of the second figure. Then only you will able to conclude the answer. And in less time, I tell you. How come? Because there are 4 answer options given. You can eliminate wrong answer. Like for example, we have 4 answer option given. In answer option 1, star is here. In answer option C, star is here. In answer option B, star is here. In answer option D, star is here. And we know star has to be here. So it means we can say B and D wrong. Correct answer is A or C. And once you get 2 options, then you compare 2 answer option. You find question mark here. You find question mark here. There cannot be 2 different position of question mark. So kripa kahan atke question mark mein. Then you check question mark. For example, you come to know question mark has to be here. Then you conclude this is the answer. But don't compare this complete figure with this figure. That is just waste of time. Don't compare buffalo with buffalo. Compare the eye of the buffalo with the eye of buffalo. Then only you can differentiate. तभी आप दोनों buffalo को differentiate कर पाएंगे. Similarly here you have to observe the minute changes. What is the purpose behind this topic? We check your concentration level. We check like how minutely you can observe the thing. हाँ बताओ क्या कहना चाह रहे हो? मैंने पहले बोला था ये क्वेश्चन नहीं है, जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल इसको सोल्व करने मत बैठ जाना। मैंने बोला था ये है ना, बोला था ना कि इसको सोल्व करने मत बैठ जाना। मैं आपको कंसेप्ट बताना चाह रहा हूं कि आपको पहली फिगर दूसरी फिगर को नहीं कंपेयर करना, आपने स्टार देखना है और फिर आंसर ऑप्शंस को यूज करना है। डोंट कंपेयर बुफेलो विद बुफेलो, कंपेयर आई ऑफ द बुफेलो विद द आई ऑफ द बुफेलो, तभी आप बुफेलो में डिफरेंशिएट कर पाएंगे। ठीक है, 2 चाइनीज इंसान सेम लगते हैं ना, उनकी आंखें देखना, कान देखना, जो चीज दिखती है वही देखना। नाउ वी ट्राई क्वेश्चन। यू गॉट दिस हैंड आउट? 4 टाइप के क्वेश्चन है इसमें। स्टार्ट विथ टाइप 1। Like here in type 1 it is not mentioned, but I tell you, examiner will mention for sure. You write this is analogy question. यहाँ पे लिख लो type 1 is analogy. Let me tell you what is analogy, then you can try 2 example. 2 example कर लेंगे हर type के, ठीक है? That will be more than enough. What is analogy? I have taken number series with you. Similarly, we have number analogy. Let me explain. Then you can try. एक concept होता है analogy. Logy means study, ana means same study, same relationship, same study. They give A, B, C, D. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में जनरली A, B, C, D दिया होता है. Like for example 3, 27, 4 question mark. It is asked what will come at question mark. We have to see the same relationship. Analogy question में the relationship between A and B reflect from C to D. जो A और B के बीच में relation है वही C और D के बीच में होगा. So can we see what is the relationship here? You can say 9 multiple. You can't deny. 4 into 9, 36. One correct answer is 36. 9 multiple. 3 9s are 27. 4 9s are 36. Yes, that is also one of the correct. But if answer options are given 61, 62, 63, 64. Tell me what is the correct answer. Why? Cube. Because if you can see the analogy here, 3, 3 cube. ठीक है? 4, 4 cube. कभी देखा होगा ना, like if any person give very good example on the spot, मतलब एक सिचुएशन के ऊपर बेहतरीन एग्जांपल दे दे, people they say what is analogy, मतलब क्या लिंक करके एग्जांपल दिया. Similarly है, what is analogy type, what is same type of relationship is called analogy. So here it is a cube relation. Here also it is a cube relation. So second correct answer for this question is 64. We have analogy question for non-verbal reasoning and picture reasoning also. Picture reasoning में भी हमारे पास analogy है. तो A to B it should reflect from C to D. जो A और B के relation है वही C और D के बीच में होगा. Try with question number 2 first. पहले question number 2 करो फिर 1 करो. You will be in better position to handle. Take your time. First you do question number 2, then you do question number 1. Done. I take question number 2 first. Question number 2, you check A. What is A? A में this is 1 square and 3 circle. And what are the changes from A to B? Number interchange. 3 circle become 1 circle, 1 square become 3 square. जो एक था वो 3 बन गए, जो 3 थे वो 1 बन गया. So here there is one triangle. So here in answer figure there will be 3 triangle. Answer figure में क्या होंगे? 3 triangle होंगे. This is 3L will become 1L. Either answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 not possible. अच्छा, let me tell you, in my handout there are 5 answer options. UPSC style CSAT is only 4 answer option. Some student they ask sir क्या UPSC 5 answer option है? नहीं, क्योंकि मैंने कॉपी पेस्ट किया. कौन बनाएगा इतने सारे डायग्राम? indiabix.com से मैंने क्वेश्चन उठाया. RS अग्रवाल में भी सेम क्वेश्चन है. जस्ट फॉर प्रैक्टिस आई हैव टेकन दिस क्वेश्चन. बट यूपीएससी में 4 ही आंसर ऑप्शन होंगे. प्रैक्टिस पर्पस वी हैव दिस क्वेश्चन. यूपीएससी विल गिव ओनली 4 आंसर ऑप्शंस. यूपीएससी में 4 ही आंसर ऑप्शन होंगे. 3, 4, 5 रॉन्ग. तो इधर आंसर इज 1 और 2. 2 आंसर करेक्ट आंसर नॉट पॉसिबल. ओनली 1. वी ऑब्जर्व अगेन. दोबारा से ऑब्जर्व करो. स्क्वायर अपर साइड, स्क्वायर लोअर साइड. जो ऊपर था वो नीचे आ गया, जो नीचे था वो ऊपर. पोजीशन भी चेंज होगी. ये नीचे था, ये ऊपर. तो इट मींस जो ट्रायंगल ऊपर है वो ट्रायंगल नीचे चले जाएंगे. ट्रायंगल विल बी एट बिलो पोजीशन एंड दिस एल विल बी एट अपर पोजीशन. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज 1. ट्राई टू ऑब्जर्व. पोजीशन भी बदल रही है. स्क्वायर ऊपर से नीचे आ गए, सर्कल नीचे से ऊपर चले गए. इंटरचेंज हो रहा है. नंबर इंटरचेंज एंड पोजीशन इंटरचेंज. इसी ऑब्जर्वेशन के नंबर है. कोई आपसे फॉर्मूला थोड़ी ना यूज करा रहे हैं. You have to observe the change and minutely. Let me take question number 1. Or those who are done, what is your answer? Let me take. We have to see the changes from A to B. A से B में changes देखना. Like here in A, there are 2 type of loop. One is half shaded, one is blank. Don't compare both at a time. Take one by one. I take shaded one. What is the position of shaded? In northeast direction. In first figure, shaded loop is in this direction, which is northeast. From A to B, your shaded loop change in the west direction. Tell me from northeast to west, क्या हो रहा है? ये इस पोजीशन से इस पोजीशन में जा रहा है. When you move from northeast to west, what type of changes is this? 135 degree anti-clockwise. So you write shaded loop changes 135 degree anti-clockwise position. ट्राई नॉर्थ ईस्ट से आप वेस्ट डायरेक्शन में जाएंगे तो यू हैव ए चेंज ऑफ 135 डिग्री एंटी क्लॉकवाइज। नॉर्थ ईस्ट से वेस्ट, ये वेस्ट पोजीशन है। अप्लाई द सेम चेंज इन दिस। हियर योर शेडेड लूप इज इन द साउथ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन। From southwest direction, we have same change, 135 degree anti-clockwise. So your shaded loop will come in the east direction. So our required answer is shaded loop will be in the east direction because you have to apply the same change. जो A से B के बीच में change है, same change we have to apply from C to D, 135 degree anti-clockwise. So shaded loop has to be in east direction. That's why 1 wrong, 2 wrong, 4 wrong. Either answer is 3 or 5. But you check 3 or 5, blank loop is same. Tell me what is correct answer. Why 5 is wrong? Shaded area. If you check shaded area is near to center, this shaded portion is wrong. It is away from center. ये shaded portion ही गलत है. So this is wrong. 3 is correct answer. तो ये छोटे छोटे changes you have to observe. Then you get 2.5. Come to page number 5. We have type 2 question. Here it is clearly mentioned. यहाँ पे एग्जामिनर ने क्लियरली मेंशन किया हुआ है, select a figure from amongst the answer figure which will continue the same series. What is series? A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E. Series. It is sequence. Series होता है ना, A से B, B से C, C से D. तो it is a series. It is not analogy. Analogy में होता है A से B, C से D. Series होता है A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, and so. Do 2 question. Question number 1 and 2. I give you 3-minute time. Try question number 1 and 2. Page number 5, type 2 question. हाँ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 and 2 रिमेनिंग इज योर होमवर्क. बाकी बचे हुए आपका होमवर्क. Done. I take this question. Now here question number 1 here on page number 5. What is your answer? This is circle. A to B circle size enlarge. New figure introduce triangle. Circle का size बढ़ा किया, उसके अंदर triangle डाल. Then जो बढ़ा किया था circle remove triangle. Then triangle size enlarge. New figure introduce square. Square. One thing is clear, square size will be enlarged. So 2 not possible. Either answer is 1, 3, 4, 5. But you can't have 4 answer. I told you sequence is also important. Sequence. Here triangle introduced having 3 sides. then square 5 side. Sequence क्या कह रहा है? 3 side, 4 side, next will be 5 side. So if inside the square we have a pentagon, that is perfect. Sequence भी तो complete करना है. Triangle introduce, यहाँ पे triangle पैदा हुई. Here square, here it will be pentagon. So if we have a pentagon inside the square, that is better. So here answer 4 is better answer in this question. Sequence, जो चीज sequence fulfill करे, that is better. Triangle आया, फिर square आया, then pentagon, then hexagon. Okay, so here 4. Question number 2, what is your answer? There are two things. One is figure. This is triangle having 3 sides. This is square having 4 sides. This is pentagon having 5 sides. This is hexagon having 6 sides. This is septagon having 7 sides. So next has to be octagon. So if you check first figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yes. This is hexagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, wrong. It is septagon. How come septagon repeat? No problem. मतलब not at all. This is hexagon, not at all. This is octagon. तो या तो आंसर 1 है या आंसर 5 है. But there cannot be two correct answer. You observe one more thing. Tell me other concept in this question. Boxes, compartment inside the figure. जितनी साइड उतने बॉक्सेस. दिस इज 3 साइड 3 बॉक्सेस 1 2 3. इसके अंदर 3 बॉक्स बने हुए हैं. दिस इज 4 साइड 4 बॉक्सेस. This is 5 side 5 boxes 1 2 3 4 5. This is 6 side, there are 6 boxes 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is 7 side 7 boxes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it means octagon and 8 boxes. Here we have more than 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Wrong. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Perfect. There are two concepts used, outside boundary and box inside. अंदर की तरफ जितने बॉक्स है. नेक्स्ट इज टाइप 3, पेज नंबर आई थिंक 8 और 9. 8, पेज नंबर 8. 3 क्वेश्चन. इट इज मिरर इमेज. टाइप 3, इट इज क्लियरली मेंशन मिरर इमेज. Choose the alternative which is closely resemble the mirror image of the given combination. 2 4 7 5 9 6. The next BR 4AQ 16 HI geography. 3 question, take your time. Mirror image. Type 3 question. Done. Okay, I take this question. Like 2 4 7 5 9 6. Some student, what they do, they try to reproduce the mirror image. What they do, they try to write how this 6 appear, then how 9 appear. No need. Don't write the complete mirror image. Only 1 or 2 digit will help, like 6. And we know right become left, left become right. If you check in mirror, the rightmost digit will appear on the leftmost place. Try kar lena. So how this 6 appear in mirror? 6 appear like this. 6 is not having same mirror image. Mirror image of 6 is this. Answer option 1 is wrong because they just written 695. It is not a mirror image. Mirror image नहीं है, उल्टा लिखा है बस. It is true, but first 6 will appear. It is wrong. This is the mirror image of 9. This is wrong. So only D is the correct answer. You can check with the help of 6 on. Question number 1, correct answer is D. Okay. I tell you some extra method. Last year in one of the batch, one student asked, sir, can we carry the mirror in the examination hall? Girls, I can understand. Boys, I don't know. क्या ही करोगे? And even, ठीक है, I tell you, some smart method to handle mirror and water image. What you can do, you can take gel pen and on this you can write. But वो थोड़ा fast करना पड़ेगा. You write here 2, 4, 7, 5, 9, 6 and take eraser. Immediately take the stamp of this number on eraser. क्योंकि gel pen है ना वो थोड़ा ink छोड़ देता है. So here you can take on eraser and if you see eraser like this, that appear the exact same mirror image. You can check. है ना? So here you can do this. But the problem here with the gel pen is when you get admit card, in your admit card there are instruction written. वहाँ पे instruction लिखी होती है and for your prelims exam instruction क्या होती है? You can carry the only black or blue ball point. You are not allowed to carry gel pen or geometry box. But I never seen in UPSC examination hall they take search अभियान अच्छे से. Whereas in CAT, अगर आप CAT का एग्जाम देने जाओगे ना, ऑनलाइन होता है पहली चीज, they don't allow you to carry anything. They give extra paper, pencil, eraser from their side. वहां पे पहले ही अवेलेबल होता है और अच्छे से तलाशी लेते हैं. यूपीएससी में you can check like here in UPSC examination hall you find people they have 3 different water bottle, एक ठंडी, एक नॉर्मल, एक ग्लूकोज वाली. ठीक है, they have entire shopping complex, पूरा ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स लेके जाते हैं. You also try. I tell you the reason. Because eraser will help you in cube and dice topic. Scale and other things will help in geometry mensuration. तो ये चीजें हेल्प कर जाती हैं. तो ट्राई टू कैरी. ठीक है, माई सजेशन फॉर योर CSAT पेपर, यू हैव ए स्मॉल ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स. अपने सारे मतलब हथियार लेके जाने. आई टेल यू नो वन विल स्टॉप यू. आज तक तो किसी को नहीं रोका है. So here you will able to carry, maybe you have to use or not use, doesn't matter. But ज़्यादा महंगा मत लेके जाना. For example, maybe the guard over there or invigilator will say you can't use this, so you can say this is gift for you. ठीक है, 20-30 रुपए ही तो लगेंगे. एक छोटा सा ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स you carry where you should have eraser, 2-3 different color pen, pencil, ठीक है, scale, ठीक है, and that D जिससे एंगल नापते हैं. That will help you. Okay. Now, next, second method is ballpoint pen. With ballpoint pen, you can put pressure. थोड़ा pressure से लिखना. And you can see at the back side, it appear the mirror image. But don't put too much pressure because UPSC paper quality is very low. They use newspaper print. ऐसा ना हो pen 4 पेज नीचे चला जाए. Then you ask your neighbor answer छोड़ question ही बता दे, मेरा question ही नहीं नजर आ रहा. तो तीसरा मेथड बता दो which is wonderful. You can try the third question, geography. तीसरा क्वेश्चन ट्राई करो, geography. You have handout with you like this. ठीक है, you can flip the page like this, left right, and you bring your paper from the back side. You have to see, bring your paper towards light. थोड़ा light की तरफ लाओ पेपर को. At the back side, look at the answer options. The answer option which appear exactly geography at the back side, जो पीछे से geography है पूरा exact, that is the correct mirror image on the front. Answer option 1 पूरा geography है. ठीक है, ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट अपना टैबलेट मत पढ़ के देखिए। माई सजेशन, एटलीस्ट फॉर दिस हैंड आउट यू गेट ए प्रिंट आउट, एटलीस्ट इस हैंड आउट का अपना प्रिंट आउट निकाल लेना, है ना। बट मेनली योर सेंटर विल बी इन गवर्नमेंट स्कूल, बट डे टाइम में दैट विल नॉट बी इश्यू, लाइट रहेंगी, विंडो रहेंगी वहां खुला। अगर मान लो चलो क्लाउडी है एंड हार्डली देयर इज ए लाइट, ऐसा ना सारे के सारे वहां लाइट के पास चले जाए, and it is allowed, like you can see at the back side, even if the invigilator will come, will ask what you are doing, उसको कहना आज जादू दिखाता हूं। ठीक है, पहला क्वेश्चन देख लो, it is really a wonderful trick, 247596, 247596, so backside see which answer option read 247596, answer option 4 D, 247596, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का डी आंसर है 247596। सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज BR4AQ16HI, BR4AQ16HI, आंसर ऑप्शन ए 1, सेकंड क्वेश्चन करेक्ट आंसर इज 1, थर्ड क्वेश्चन करेक्ट आंसर इज 1 ज्योग्राफी। If you are not comfortable, then also you can eliminate, अगर बैक साइड से नहीं नजर आ रहा फिर भी आंसर ऑप्शन देखो Y, how Y appear in mirror, exactly same, so 3 is wrong। ठीक है, अब ये देखो, ये like here P, how P appear, या A, how A appear, exactly same, तो यहाँ A wrong है, तो या तो आंसर 1 है 2 है। अब 2 में देखो ना सिर्फ उल्टा किया हुआ है, P इज नॉट हैविंग सेम मिरर इमेज, R इज नॉट हैविंग सेम मिरर इमेज, G, तो 2 इज रॉन्ग, तो यू कैन एलिमिनेट रॉन्ग आंसर ऑप्शन ऑल्सो, 1 इज करेक्ट। क्विकली ट्राई वाटर इमेज ऑन पेज नंबर 14, पेज नंबर 12 और 13 में टाइप 4 लिखा हुआ है, try 2 question for water image। Here it is PQ8 AFI BZ9, next question VAYU 8436, question it is clearly mentioned resemble the water image of the given combination, you have to find the water image। नहीं तुम तो अच्छा सेंटर भर दोगे, उन्होंने देना ना सेंटर, तो सेंटर इज नॉट योर हैंड। दिल्ली में लाइक यू हैव यूपीएससी बिल्डिंग, वहां पे 1920 बच्चे आते हैं, 8 सेंटर है वहां, 8 हॉल है, 4 इधर 4 इधर, 240 एक की कैपेसिटी है, फिर तो बाकी तो गवर्नमेंट के स्कूल है। फिर जो लेट भरता है उनको गुड़गांव प्राइवेट स्कूल, कभी कभी एसी भी मिल जाता है वहां, चलाते नहीं है लेकिन। वन का 4 है, 1 नहीं है, जेड चेक करो, चेक द जेड, आई टेल यू। देखो आई डोंट नो व्हाई यू आर राइटिंग, भाई क्यों अपनी ड्राइंग की स्किल दिखानी है आपको। चेक 9, हाउ 9 अपीयर इन वाटर, 9 अपीयर लाइक दिस, सो 3 इज रॉन्ग, 9 नेवर अपीयर, 9 नेवर अपीयर, 6 रॉन्ग, तो 2 और 3 तो हटा दो, इधर आंसर इज 1 और 4। चेक जेड, हाउ जेड अपीयर इन वाटर, जेड अपीयर लाइक दिस, जेड इज नेवर हैविंग द सेम वाटर इमेज, तो जेड की वाटर इमेज ये है, सो आंसर इज 4। यू चेक 9 एंड जेड, यू गेट द आंसर, पूरा चेक करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। Okay, I tell you, I told you mirror left and right, water top bottom. So how you can use the smart method? Here, this is your paper. You have to flip the page ऐसे उल्टा करना पड़ेगा, up down. ये पेज है, पेपर है आपका, ठीक है? इसको ये पेज जहां क्वेश्चन है और इसको ऐसे उल्ट दो, अप डाउन, ठीक है? सो वी विल सी द आंसर ऑप्शन विच इज PQ8 AF 5B Z9. But you need some smartness because when you flip the page, student what they do, they see right side upper, they mark 2 correct answer by mistake. Even the answer options also get flipped. जब आप पेपर पलटते हो तो आंसर ऑप्शन भी फ्लिप होता है. ब्रैकेट में लिखो 4 ऐसा लिखा हुआ है, PQ8. तो दिस फोर्थ वन इज करेक्ट वाटर इमेज. ये पेपर को, ये पेपर है, यू हैव टू फ्लिप लाइक दिस. पेपर को यू हैव टू फ्लिप लाइक दिस. लेट अस ट्राई नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. VAYU8436. ये जैसे ये, दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन, ठीक है? वी फ्लिप लाइक दिस. VAYU8436, आंसर ऑप्शन 2. तो 2 इज द करेक्ट वाटरिंग मिस. और यू एलिमिनेट. अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो यू एलिमिनेट. Now here how 6 appear? 6 appear like this. 6 never appear 9. So here either answer is 2 or 4. But you check 3. How 3 appear? 3 appear this. So 3 never appear this. So here answer is 2. 2 is correct answer. Now your homework, tomorrow and Sunday there is no class, so you can do the remaining question. It is more than enough, no extra practice. Non-verbal reasoning, no need to do some extra practice. Your next week timetable. Monday you have English class. English class will be taken by Shakil Ahmed sir. Some students, those who are good in English, still I recommend you better attend because try to maximize your score. There will be 27 questions. If you are able to solve 20 questions out of 27, try to attend these classes so that you can solve 23 to 24. So that we will have less burden on mathematics part. Monday you have English class. Tuesday you have English class. Tuesday English teacher will give you some test. तो आपको 2 दिन का टाइम देंगे. वेडनेसडे थर्सडे छुट्टी नहीं रहेगी. वेडनेसडे आई विल टेक क्लास, आई विल टेक AP अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. थर्सडे ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन प्लस बेसिक न्यूमरेसी. एक नंबर सिस्टम का छोटा सा टॉपिक है बेसिक न्यूमरेसी. फ्राइडे अगेन इंग्लिश क्लास. तो नेक्स्ट वीक यू हैव 3 इंग्लिश क्लासेस, 2 मैथमेटिक्स क्लासेस. ग्रुप पे भी डाल देना. कर लेना ये रिमाइंडर. वी हैव गिवन वन टेस्ट वेयर वी हैव वन क्वेश्चन ऑन यूनिट इज. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव दैट टेस्ट विद यू जिसमें रिमाइंडर थ्योरम के क्वेश्चन बचे हुए हैं? निकालो, करो. 6 क्वेश्चन बचे हैं. रिमेनिंग वी हैव डन. और क्या? अच्छा, आई गिव यू अ नोट. रिमाइंडर थ्योरम के लिए एक नोट लिखवाता हूं. इट विल रियली हेल्प यू. लिख लो, एक नोट लिख लो. देन यू हैव टू चेक द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 11, 12. Write a note. Remainder theorem के लिए एक note लिख लो. When the divisor is 2, 5 और 10. जब divisor 2 हो, 5 और 10 हो. When the divisor is 2, 5 or 10. Unit digit will help to find remainder. So idea is when the divisor is 2, 5, 10, either you can use remainder theorem concept or you can use unit digit concept also. यहाँ हमारे लिए बोनस है क्योंकि 2 के केस में यूनिट डिजिट पता चल गई तो रिमाइंडर पता चल सकता है. ठीक है. 5 के केस में भी यूनिट डिजिट अगर पता है तो देन वी कैन फाइंड व्हाट इज रिमाइंडर. इन केस ऑफ 10 यूनिट डिजिट इटसेल्फ इज द रिमाइंडर. जैसे इस क्वेश्चन में है डिवाइडेड बाय 10 है तो व्हाट यू डू यू फाइंड यूनिट डिजिट बिकॉज यूनिट डिजिट इटसेल्फ इज द रिमाइंडर. In question number 2, unit digit itself is the remainder because when your divisor is 10, unit digit decide the remainder. तो यहाँ पे you can use unit digit concept what we have studied 2 days back, जो आधे लोग भूल चुके हैं. चलो कोई ना मजा आएगा. Question number 2, 3, 6, 11, 12, only 5 question. Monday, Tuesday and Friday English class. Wednesday, Thursday I will take the class. Two, 3, 6, 11, 12. 2, 3, 6 is on the board. If you don't have handout with you, 2, 3, 6 is on the board. 11, 12 on the back side. अभी रुक जाओ. पहले 2, 3, 6. Done. 2, 3, 6. इजी तो है. 11 and 12. Okay, quickly I discuss. Question number 2. What is your answer? See here, when your divisor is 10, unit digit will help you. 6 is always 6, 5 is always 5, 1 is always 1, it is 2. कोई भी number हो, when you divide by 10 at unit place 2, your remainder is 2. So your remainder is 2. Because in case of 10, unit digit itself is the remainder. जब आपका divisor 10 होता है, unit digit ही remainder है. Question number 3, what is your answer? 1. 16 is to power 200 divided by 17. 16 with respect to 17 give remainder minus 1. How many times? 200 times. Minus 1 is to power 200 plus 1. So your answer is plus 1. Now question number 6, what is your answer? 8 is to power 9 plus 1 divided by 7. Every 8 with respect to 9 give remainder 1. How many times? 9 times. 1 with respect to 7 remainder 1 only. 1 plus 1 2. So your answer is 2. क्योंकि 8 की पावर 9 1 देगा और 1 1 देगा. 1 plus 1 2. These are easier. These two questions okay, I take. One is 3 is to power 68 divided by 5. 3 is to power 1 3. 3 square 9. Tell me, when I divide 9 by 5, what is your remainder? 4 minus 1 also. It is 4 chocolate extra or 1 chocolate less. 9 divided by 5 give you positive remainder 4, negative remainder 1. Here negative remainder 1 will help. So what you can do, we can express this as 3 is to power 2 bracket 34 divided by 5. It is 9 is to power 34 divided by 5. 9 with respect to 5 give remainder 4 as well as minus 1. 4 will not help. Minus 1 is to power 34 will help. Minus 1 is to power 34 is plus 1. So your answer is 1. You write. Any doubt you can ask me. Is it okay? ऐसा नहीं कि 4 9 5 के साथ 9 भी रिमाइंडर माइनस 1 देता है. 4 also give remainder minus 1, 9 also give remainder minus 1. Next question is 7 is to power 51 divided by 5. I give you two methods. I told you when divisor is 2, 5 and 10, unit digit will help you to find remainder. So one method I use from the last class. And try to revise, नहीं तो mix up हो जाएंगे. I find what is the unit digit in 7 is to power 51. I use cyclicity. Cyclicity में 51 divided by 4 remainder 3, so it behave like 7 cube. What is 7 cube? 343. What is the unit digit? 3 divided by 5. 3 को 5 से divide करेंगे. What is your remainder? 3. So your answer here is remainder 3. हाँ 11 को भी वैसे सोल्व कर सकते हैं. जब आपका डिवाइजर 2, 5, 10 है, यू कैन यूज यूनिट डिजिट. ये याद है? 7 की साइक्लिसिटी याद है? बताओ क्या है? 7 के बाद क्या आता है? 9. 7, 49, 343, 1. 7 is to power 1, 7 is to power 2, 7 is to power 3, 7 is to power 4. जब 7 की पावर 1 होती है 7, 7 की पावर 2 होती है 9, 7 की पावर 3 होती है 3. तो 7 की पावर 51 को 4 से डिवाइड किया, रिमाइंडर आया 3, 7 क्यूब में आया 3. अब यूनिट डिजिट में 3 है, 5 से डिवाइड करोगे तो रिमाइंडर 3 आएगा. एक तो ये मेथड है, इफ यू आर एबल टू यूज. हमने यूनिट डिजिट टॉपिक की हेल्प ली. वी हैव टेकन हेल्प ऑफ यूनिट डिजिट टॉपिक टू फाइंड रिमाइंडर, because when your divisor is 5, unit digit is sufficient to tell you the remainder. When your divisor is 2, 5, 10, your unit digit is sufficient to tell you the remainder. Now second method, अगर नहीं ये याद तो second method. Now here 7 with respect to 5, what is your remainder? 2. So can I say it is like 2 is to power 51 divided by 5? Only the task is इसको छोटा करते जाना है. 2 is to power 1 2, 2 square 4, 4 with respect to 5 की remainder -1, but 51 is not exact multiple of 2. So what we will do, 2 is to power 50 plus 1 divided by 5. Then it is 2 is to power 50 into 2 is to power 1 divided by 5. You can express it as 2 is to power 2 bracket 25 into 2 divided by 5. It is 4 is to power 25 into 2 divided by 5. 4 with respect to 5, remainder -1. How many times? 25 times. 2 with respect to 5, remainder 2, but plus 2. -1 is to power 25 is -1. 2 give you 2, -1 into 2, -2. So your answer is -2. You convert it in positive remainder. If your divisor is 5, -2 means +3. तो your answer is +3. 7 को 2 बना लो, क्योंकि 7 5 के मुकाबले में 2 रिमाइंडर देगा, तो वैल्यू को छोटा कर लो. 7 जो है वो 2 बन जाएगा. Every 7 give remainder 2. How many time? 51 time. Then you handle this question. Don't take 7, take it as 2, because your divisor is 5. Then it will be easier. Okay. Thank you, students. तो उसमें -2 आएगा और लेंथी हो जाएगा. अपनी प्रेफरेंस है +1 -1. Okay, students, see you on Wednesday, Thursday. Monday, Tuesday, you have English class. अगर in case there will be any change, we will update you on Telegram. वैसे नहीं होगा. It is fixed. Monday, Tuesday, you have English class. Friday, you have English class. Wednesday, Thursday, you have math class. But if in case there will be any change, class तो होगी. अगर English सर टीचर नहीं आएंगे तो I will take. But chances are, हाँ ऑफिशियल पे ही अनाउंसमेंट भी डाल देंगे, मेल भी कर देंगे. अब बना हुआ है ना आपका, उसमें भी तो चैटे चल रहे. शकील अहमद सर, वो हर साल इंग्लिश यहीं पढ़ाते हैं. सिलोगिज्म जो लास्ट ईयर पढ़ाया था वो उन्होंने पढ़ाया था, जो बेंगलोर के फैकल्टी. कपिल सर नहीं, वो नहीं है. नहीं. क्योंकि जब हमने डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 2 पढ़ी थी, 2 की डिविजिबिलिटी में यूनिट डिजिट ही रिमाइंडर बता देती है. 3 के केस में नहीं बताती, और 5 के केस में भी. ओके स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू वेरी मच. कर दो क्लास भी एंड कर दो.